The second type of solids on the basis of magnetic property is diamagnetic substance. The substances which have all the electrons paired, These are weakly repelled by magnetic field. Third type of substances are ferromagnetic substances, which are strongly attracted by magnetic field. Examples are iron, cobalt, nickel, gadolinium, chromium oxide. The metal ions in metal crystals are grouped to form domains. The metal ions in metal crystals are grouped to form domains. In these substances, the ferromagnetic substances, all the domains are aligned in same direction. So magnetic moment of such substances is very high. These substances are permanently magnetized. Fourth type of substance is antiferromagnetism or antiferromagnetic substances. In these, the domains are arranged anti-parallel to each other, so the overall magnetic moment becomes zero. The domains are arranged in such manner the overall magnetic moment becomes zero. Example of this type of substance is manganese oxide, MnO. The fifth type of substance is ferrimagnetic substance. In these substances, the domains are arranged randomly. So magnetic moment is not cancelled. Completely. The example of such substances are Fe3O4, Zn Fe2O4, MgFe2O4. Now we can understand the ferromagnetic, antiferromagnetic and ferrimagnetic substances by these domain diagrams. If in this diagram you can see that all the domains are arranged in same direction, so such arrangement belongs to ferromagnetic. In this arrangement you can see that all the domains are anti-parallel to each other, so the magnetic moment will be cancelled out and becomes zero. So this arrangement belongs to antiferromagnetic, and in this case you can see that there is random arrangement of domains, so overall magnetic moment is not become zero. So this is ferromagnetic arrangement or ferromagnetic substance.